your girl Tay, and I'm back with another video. If you guys didn't see my last video on how I got this wig custom colored and dyed, go check that out right now. I'm going to link the video in the description box and put it in the information bar right now. So make sure you go check that out, and let's get started with this wig installation. So I'm going to be doing the invisible lace method. So I'm going to take my Got2b glued free spray and spray that all over my wig cap so that the wig cap can be secured, and when I put my wig on, it'll seem very flawless, very unnoticeable, and blending with my scalp. So make sure you apply some heat to wherever you sprayed the glue so that the wig cap is secure and not moving. So now that that's done, you want to make sure that the wig cap is secure, that nothing's moving, and you're going to cut the front part of the wig off so that what's left is just the wig cap and not the band in the front. So next I'm going to make sure my skin is nice and clean. I'm going to take a cotton pad and just pour some rubbing alcohol onto the skin where I'm going to be laying the glue at, so that there's no oil, no sweat or anything like that, and the glue can, stay on longer. Baby, look at that purple, darling. I am so in love with this color that I made. Okay, so now we're going to install the wig, just making sure that everything's right. I'm going to start with cutting off the ear tabs. I always like to make sure that I cut off my ear tabs almost perfect because I want the lace to blend and look as natural as possible to my scalp. So we're going to start by cutting off the ear tabs, and I'm just going to measure where my ear stops and what I have to cut off. So I'm starting where the slant is in front of my ear and just kind of working my way up to make a C shape, and that is going to ensure that my lace lays flat in front of my ear. Once my ear tabs are cut correctly, I feel like I'm going to slay the day away, okay? That is the most important part, getting those ear tabs correct, making sure that that lace lays properly in front of those ears for them edges to lay down correctly, honey. And once that's done, you basically got the whole wig just set. So now I'm just cutting out the front of my hairline, and I'm kind of doing in and out with the scissors. So cut up and a cut down just to, make that jagged edge in the hairline. You don't want to cut your hairline across too straight because then it looks unnatural. So in and out. So now I'm taking this wig grip headband. It's supposed to keep my lace laid the whole time I have it on, even though I'm going to be putting glue on top in case I sweat or anything like that. This wig grip is going to make sure that the lace is not moving at all whatsoever. So this is my first time using this. We're going to see how great this works out. But hopefully I'm doing this right, wearing this with the elastic band and things like that. If you guys wear it differently, let me know. I'm just going to put it towards the front of my hairline and place the wig on top. By the way, guys, this is a human hair frontal lace wig. I got it in body wave in 24 inches, and it was a blonde 613 wig. So I actually ended up dyeing this wig to a custom color that I got inspired by a YouTuber named MsRoshPosh. If you haven't checked her video, go ahead. And if you haven't seen how I dyed this wig and got this color, please go ahead and click the link in the description or click the link right here in the information bar so you can see how I got this color. I'm taking this Got2b glued spiking glue, and I'm going to put it on first. I like to do this to make sure that the wig is going to stay down all day, even if I sweat. So the difference between this yellow bottle with the glue is that this one is water resistant, and I usually go for the black Got2b glued, which is the invincible glue, which isn't water resistant. But being that I'm about to go to a party, I'm going to make sure that even if I sweat, we're going to be outside, that this wig is staying down, this lace is staying down, okay? So I like using this glue, and I definitely recommend it. especially if you want an all-day wear out of it. This lace did not move, okay? It did not move at all. So highly recommend this glue. He will speed up the drying process, so make sure you want to use a little bit just so that the glue gets tacky. So now those baby hairs, okay? I've already outlined my perimeter. I'm going to take my blade and just start cutting in a diagonal so that the baby hairs aren't bluntly cut and I can get a nice swoop going on when I style my edges. As y'all can see, the perimeter of my hairline, it's very light. I have to go ahead and add some makeup in. If you watched the last video about me bleaching the knots on this unit, it did not work, so that's why it looks the way that it does, and I have to go ahead and add some makeup in under the lace wig. But I forgot to put the makeup before I put it on my head, and the glue's already on, so I'm just going to put some powder in between. So I like to use mousse on my edges when I lay the baby hairs. Better than gel or any type of like edge control. It just lays more effortlessly and it causes less product buildup. I'm gonna let my edges lay flat and I'll be back after I glam up my face and get cute and show you guys the final look with this hair. So just wait on it. Be right back. Just wait on it. If you guys like this video, leave a comment, subscribe, share with a friend, smash that like button on this one and the video before on how this whole look was put together. And if you like my content, please follow me on Instagram, follow my social media, and subscribe to my channel. Bye!